What's going on, everyone over there in the YouTube universe? We are here for another exciting episode of MFC Garage. What the fuck did I just say? YouTube universe? What the fuck? Today we got another 5-minute install for you. Amazing product that solves. Today we have another 5-minute install for you, and what it's going to do is also I said another too many times. What is going on, YouTube community? Jesse here with MFC Garage, and we have another episode to show you a product that is a 5-minute install, and it solves a problem commonly found on the Jeep Cherokee, Dodge Dart, or the Chrysler 200. If you ever look into your engine bay and you look where the struts are actually located, you'll see 2 plastic clips holding them together. Now, these plastic clips actually hold the suspension to your vehicle. What a lot of you may not know is these plastic clips can fail prematurely or even right off the lot. If there's play in your clip or if it can spin freely, that means you most likely have a noise in your front end. Now, this noise is noticeable going over bumps or at slow speeds, and it's probably annoying, let me tell you. So we decided to make an aluminum solution that works on all 3 chassis, and it works by tightening up and being a little bit bigger than the factory plastic ones. So this right here is the plastic clip that basically holds your suspension to your vehicle. Its height and tightening capabilities really don't solve the solution for getting rid of that front end noise. So we took this, threw it in the garbage, and designed these billet aluminum ones. Now, these not only are oversized compared to the factory ones, but their chamfer allows it to tighten in and close up the gap, sucking the suspension up against the body, using 4 bolt points that also make sure that it won't come loose. Now, during this install video, you'll see the affected plastic clips on the vehicle. You'll see that they spin very freely and have a lot of play to them. Our customer also found that they had that front end noise. We were replacing it with these, and you're going to see how simple of a solution it is to get this working perfect for your vehicle. Now, it works once again on the Jeep Cherokee, Dodge Dart, and Chrysler 200. Comes with all the tools necessary to install it, so it is literally a 5-minute install. Check it out. We're installing it so everything is thumb tight right off the bat, so you can rotate it into place to be able to access all the bolts. And then you'll get it into its final resting location. And then do the final turn on the tool that we provide you. This will get rid. This one was super loose. So you want to make sure that the gaps are straight with the front, because you'll be able to get to all the bolts. From this position. Want to do it just enough so it's snug. The back ones are always a little bit more difficult to turn because there's just a little bit less room to finagle. sure that you put this piece back so you cover everything up. Just like that. Now we'll go on to the next side.